In this video, I will show you how to use the quick login feature on Roblox. And if this video does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm currently at my desktop computer at the moment, and I've got a internet browser open, so you can use any internet browser to do this. Now, if you want to do this on the mobile version as well, it's basically the same sort of process. So what you're going to want to do first is come across to roblox.com, and then you want to put a / and then log in. If you're using a mobile device, you can just go ahead and open up the app alternatively, or you can choose a mobile browser as well. So once you come to the login screen, and it's going to be similar, as I say, if you're on a mobile device, and it's the same if you have the Roblox app as well. What you want to do, you're going to get some options here. So if you look underneath, it gives you the option to log in with another logged in device. So what you can actually do is click onto this button here. And what it's going to do is going to give you two things. It's going to give you a QR code, and it's going to give you a actual code so that you can enter in manually as well. And of course, for security reasons, what I've done, I've actually blurred out these two codes. And the reason being is because obviously if anyone does have access to these codes, they can actually use them to log into your account. So what you now need to do is come to another device that you're logged in on, and it has to be the same account. So if you are using the Roblox app, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and click the three dots. If you're on a browser, you want to come into your account settings and then go to quick login. But once you've clicked on the three dots in the Roblox app, you then want to come down and look for the quick login option, which will just be, it will literally just say quick login. So what you then want to do is give that a click, and then you can go ahead and enter the code that is displayed on your computer screen. So what I'm going to do is do this now and then hit enter. And then it's going to ask you to confirm login. So you can see it's come up now, and I'm just going to confirm that on my phone. And you'll see what's going to happen. That's going to go through and actually log me in on this computer. So that's how you do it. And if you are doing it the other way around, it's exactly the same. What you need to do is open up the app and be given the option to log in with another device that is already logged in. So you can use a quick login feature on any device. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to leave a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. For that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.